The video opens on a misty forest trail at dawn as a calm female narrator delivers the first affirmation, "I move with quiet strength." In a sunlit meadow, smiling success stories unfold while the second affirmation appears, "I celebrate small wins each day." A serene lakeside yoga moment frames the third affirmation, "I breathe with patience and align action with purpose." A montage of volunteers and creators shows purpose-driven momentum as the fourth affirmation reminds, "I serve through daily choices." A sweeping mountain vista closes the scene as the final affirmation echoes, "Momentum begins anew with courage."